Hello guys, today we learn how to create this type of simple text animation in After Effects. Okay, so first open After Effects and create a new composition for text animation. Now take a new text layer and type the text. If you want the same font, I given the link in the description. Pre-compose the text layer, and name it to text holder. Now duplicate the text holder layer, and name it to bevel profile. Now select the bevel profile layer, and go to Layer menu, from Layer Style choose the Inner Glow effect. Now open the Inner Glow tab, and set the blend mode to normal. Set the color to black. Select the Precise from Technique. Adjust the size. Now hide the bevel profile layer. Select the text holder layer and add CC glass to it. Open the surface and set the bump map to bevel profile. And set the property to alpha. Decrease the softness, height and displacement. Go to the light and select A Lights. Make a new layer for light and name it Point Light. Now duplicate the Point Light layer and rename it to Spotlight. And set light options to Spot. Adjust the position of Point Light. Now select the Spotlight layer, and adjust its position. Also adjust the rotation by pressing R. And decrease the cone angle. Now go to the text holder comp, and set the text color to gray. Increase the intensity of Spotlight by pressing T. Select the text holder comp and add CC Light Sweep to it. And adjust the direction and center. And also decrease the width. Select all the layer and pre-compose them. And name the composition to metal text. Take a new solid for background layer, and add 4 color gradient. Adjust the colors to make a bluish background. Take another solid layer and name it to fractal noise and add fractal noise effect to it. Set the fractal type to dynamic progressive and noise type to spline. Increase the contrast and decrease the value of brightness. Now go to the Transform tab and increase the scale to 580. Set the complexity to 20. Go to the subsetting and increase the SAB influence to about 190. And subscaling to about 130. And change the sub-rotation to approx -30. For animation of background layer we are animating evolution. For this, select the fractal noise layer and go to the first frame. Now select the evolution and click on this clock button to add a keyframe. Now go to the end of the timeline and change the value of evolution. Set the blending mode of the fractal noise layer to color dodge. If you find any overexposed spot, decrease the brightness of fractal noise. Now for write-on animation effect. Select the metal text layer and use the pen tool to make a mask on the text. Now select the metal text layer and add stroke effect to it. Turn on the all masks and stroke sequentially. Increase the brush size to cover the text properly. Select the Reveal Original Image from Paint Style. OK, now we are animating the end for our text animation. To add shadow, select the metal text layer. Now duplicate the metal text layer. Add radial fast blur. Now add the fill effect. And change the color to black. Select the radial fast blur. Set zoom to brightest. And change the center of shadow. Select all the layers and pre-compose them. And name it to main comp. Now make new solid. And draw a rectangle mask for cinematic bars. Change the mask to subtract. Select the main comp layer and animate the scale. Select both the keyframe. Right-click on mouse and select the Easy Ease from Keyframe Assistant. Do the same for text animation. And take a new adjustment layer and add curves and level. And tweak them for some contrast. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, write on comment box.